In today's video, I'm making Buckeye balls. These come together so fast, I can't wait to show you how easy these are to make. With the holidays coming, these will be perfect. I'm going to start out with 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to get it melted and get it put in the bowl. Now I need a half a cup of peanut butter. I'm going to spray the half a cup here real quick just so it won't stick. Then I'm going to get that added to the bowl. Now I need 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to add that to the bowl. Thought about grabbing my mixer, but I really don't think it's going to take very long to put this together. Just with that peanut butter being so wet and the butter in there. It's coming together. You can actually tell it's coming together really fast. Someone had left me a comment saying to put water down and it'll keep the parchment paper from sliding, and boy does that work well. I'm going to go ahead and get these mixed up, and what I'm doing now is I just want to make like about 1-inch balls. I'm not using a scoop. Well, my little scoop broke, so I need to buy another one. Haven't done that yet. So I'm just going to try to make them all even, just about like that. So this recipe ends up making 18. You could always double it. These are going to go into the freezer for about 15 minutes. You could put it in the refrigerator for as long as you needed to. Before I put them in the freezer, I'm going to put a toothpick in each one. Is going to be what saves me when I dunk them into the chocolate. I'll be able to just put them in the chocolate and pull them right back out. While these are in the freezer, I'm going to go ahead and get the chocolate ready. Today I'm using Almond Bark. I'm only going to need half of the package, so I'm going to go ahead and prep that. I was thinking maybe I could just cut it since there's already lines there. I was going to take my big knife and just try to cut through, but that's pretty difficult. And then I thought maybe, and then I realized, let's try this. Oh, look how well that worked. I'm going to put the other half in a baggie and stick that somewhere where it is safe for my next recipe that I need with chocolate. To melt this in a microwave, I'm going to put it in. The first time is going to be 30 seconds. After that, it'll be 15 seconds. I just want to keep checking it and seeing how it's coming along. It's starting. After 30 seconds, it's melting a little. That looks good. I'm going to go ahead and grab the Buckeyes and we're just going to dip them in just like that. And you can almost just tap them to get some of the chocolate off. There's so many different ways to do it. The toothpicks make it so easy. I just love that you can just pick them up. And I never have one that falls in. So I think putting them in the freezer kind of hooks them into the dough or whatever. But it works out really well. And I am just going to continue along and do all of these. Then I'm going to stick them back in the freezer to harden them up. And I'll be back once they're done. I also just want to add real quick, this would be a lot of fun with kids. I feel like they would just love this part. These are ready. These would be perfect for a party or just because. Think of even like a bridal shower, baby shower. Um, Look at that. They're just nice and hard. The chocolate is all around them. You could leave the toothpicks in so they're easy for people to grab. I was thinking that might be kind of a neat idea. Every time I see a picture of Buckeyes, they do not have toothpicks. So just kind of a personal preference, however you like to do it. These were a lot of fun to make. I hope you give this one a try, and if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed, and hit that like button. It really helps me a lot. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.